designing with grids. So I'll give you a quick 101 on the grid history. Way back in the mid-1800s, a dude named William Morris and his buddy Philip Webb designed a house where the rooms were organized according to purpose in a grid-like fashion. And at the time, I think this was pretty unorthodox. So this led people to rethink how books should be laid out and incorporated a grid from then on forward. Fast forward to now, today grids are very commonly used in web design. Grids on the internet help organize large amounts of information and an easy to navigate, digestible information. In fact, grids are so common in design on the web and in print and everywhere else that it's probably so ingrained in how you perceive design that you don't even realize they're there. There are 4 simple approaches to grid-based design. There's the single column. There is the multi-column, the modular grid, and the hierarchical grid. Grids are awesome because they keep content organized. They create an order by distinguishing different types of information. They enhance navigation and usability, and they save design time because you have limitations to work within. In order to create a grid-based design, you need to evaluate the content that needs to be organized, group the related information together, decide the most important piece of content, and organize and structure the rest of the content around that. Choose a type of grid that works best with your content organization, and the purpose of a grid is to organize your content in a manner that is easy to understand, has good flow, and is replicable by other designers. So here's a basic 12-column grid that we use on the web. That 12-column grid divided into 3 main sections, and then a wireframe using that grid. So you can see logo, navigation, carousel with the slide info, news, event calendar, and Twitter feed, all utilizing this grid. You can start to see now how the grid is very common on the web. So that's the basics. Let's move on forward.